Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to ungroup text box in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show ungroup text box in Publisher. Now you can see then I show that we always have text box is group. Now you can see this text box in ungroup. Now select from text box. Now going to the drawing tools from format option. Now click for ungroup option. That it's now you can see. Then I show ungroup. Ungroup text box in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for